Look at the result of this video. Before and after. In today's video, I'm thrilled to showcase an innovative AI-powered video enhancement tool that's quickly gaining attention, Aiarty Video Enhancer. This cutting-edge desktop software transforms your footage with remarkable clarity, vibrant natural colors, and ultra-sharp 4K resolution. Whether your video suffers from motion blur, poor lighting, or visible noise and pixelation, Aiarty fixes it all with a single click. It intelligently restores sharpness, enhances fine details, and dramatically upgrades overall video quality to stunning 4K. What truly sets Aiarty apart is its performance. Powered by an advanced turbo mode, it delivers real-time 4K upscaling at speeds up to 3 times faster than competing AI enhancers, all while maintaining exceptional visual quality.
Before we move ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever we will upload a new content.
Step 1. First, download and install Aiarty Video Enhancer using the link provided in the description. After installation, head back to their official website and click on the Get a License Code button. You'll see an option to claim a free 90-day license. Simply use the free trial to enhance one of your videos and upload it to any of your social media platforms. After that, share your showcase URL by emailing it to media@aiarty.com. Once submitted, your 3-month license will be delivered straight to your inbox within 1 business day, completely free. This is a limited-time opportunity, so don't miss your chance to take advantage of it while it's available. Now, open Aiarty Video Enhancer. To upscale a video, you can either drag and drop your files into the interface or click the plus icon to add them manually. Once your video is imported, the software automatically loads its AI models and begins analyzing the footage. After the analysis is complete, you'll see a side-by-side comparison showing the original resolution and the enhanced result. As you can see, the improvement is impressive. The once slightly blurry video is now noticeably sharper, clearer, and more detailed. Step 2. On the right side, you'll find 3 AI models in the AI Model section: Mode Detail HQ v3, Smooth HQ v3, and Super Video VHQ. By clicking the question mark icon, you can view detailed information about each model and choose the one that best fits your footage. Next, in the Upscale section, you can enlarge your video up to 4 times. You also have the option to convert your footage to preset resolution such as 720p, 1080p, 2K, or 4K. The 1 times option is perfect for improving video quality without increasing the resolution, making it ideal for blurry clips that don't require upscaling. You can then use the strength slider to control the intensity of the AI enhancement and sharpening applied to your video. Enabling step mode helps significantly improve image quality while reducing VRAM usage, though it does slow down the AI processing speed. In the turbo mode section, turning this option on delivers up to 3 times faster processing, making Aiarty one of the fastest AI video enhancers available today. The edit section lets you perform basic adjustments such as rotating, flipping, and cropping your video. The frame interpolation feature allows you to increase the output frame rate, resulting in noticeably smoother motion without sacrificing image quality. Additionally, the audio denoise option helps clean up your audio by minimizing background noise. Once you're happy with your settings, click Export Current to begin processing. After just 3 to 4 minutes, your enhanced video will be ready. The improvement is clearly visible. The video now looks sharper, cleaner, and far more detailed. The difference between the original and enhanced versions is easy to see and truly impressive. Now, let's test another video to see how the software performs this time. Click the Add button and choose the video you want to enhance. This time, select the Super Video VHQ model while keeping all other settings unchanged. Then, click the Export Current button to start the process. Within a short time, the enhancement is complete. Take a look at the results. The difference is immediately noticeable. The once low-quality, blurry footage has been transformed into a much clearer, sharper, and more vibrant video. Aiarty Video Enhancer truly shines as a powerful solution for elevating video quality. It effortlessly transforms low-resolution footage into stunning 4K visuals. Best of all, you can try this software completely free by using the link in the description below. Don't wait too long, take advantage of this offer before it expires.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out my upcoming videos.